Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can transfer files from internal storage to SD card on Android mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Android mobile phone, and first of all, we need to go to our file application on our Android mobile phone. I'm going to select this file. Mine is my files application, so I'm going to open it guys. And wait, I'm going to create new folder in my SD card, and I'm going to transfer files from my internal storage to new folder in my SD card. To create new folder, we can click on this three dots, and then click on three dots, and then we can click on create folder, and I'm going to name it transfer. Okay, like this, and click on create after you name your folder. Okay, and I'm going to transfer some files from my internal storage to this folder in my SD card. So I'm gonna go back to my internal storage, and then I'm going to select files from here. For example, I'm going to transfer audio file. I'm going to go to the music, and then I'm going to choose audio from this Telegram folder, and you can select the files you want to transfer to your SD card. And I'm just going to select all files from this folder. Okay, and then you just need to select move or copy if you don't want to lose all these files in your internal storage. So you can click on move copy, but if you want to move it, you just need to click on move. And for instance, I'm going to click on copy, and then I'm going to go to my SD card. Okay, and I'm going to select my transfer folder, the folder I have just created. Okay, this one. Click on the folder to open the folder, and then you're going to click on copy here or move here if you select a move. Okay, now it's done guys, and the files have been copied to the SD card. I'm going to check it, and I'm going to open up the transfer folder. All right. Okay guys, and that's all the way to transfer files from internal storage to SD card. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.